Hello, welcome back, guys. And for those who are new, my name is Flora Chacha. Welcome to my channel. And if you didn't watch the last video, this is the extension of the last video I posted, and you can go check it out. It's about different wigs which are under $35, are $35 and under. And this was one of the looks. So you can check them out, and then you can comment which one you thought looked the best on me, or whatever opinion you have. So let's get to it. Today, this is I did this video as an extension of that, and basically I am talking about 5 things which you should do, or I personally do, to stay positive when pursuing your dreams. And I wrote them down so I do not forget. Let me read them for you. Okay, so the first one is surround yourself with positive people. And this is so true. You need positive people in your life. I mean, we know this, but sometimes we can know certain people that they are, they have become so close to us in our lives, and they're still negative. They're not positive about life, just in general. But we'll still have them, and we'll still like do everything with them and want to do everything with them. But when you're pursuing your dreams, sometimes that is not the best thing for you, because it's not necessarily that these people are bad. Usually, it's you're all in the same. You're all in the kind of the same mess. You need work. So in order to change, your way of thinking and how you see things, and believing that you can actually achieve, whatever dreams you have, you really need positive people. You need people who have achieved higher than you. You need people who speak positivity, not people that you tell your idea or your dream or whatever you have, and they just crush it to the ground. And then also usually, people who can't be positive, most of the time they have not achieved much. Like, to be able to achieve your dreams and to succeed, you have to have a mindset. And honestly, I feel like I myself at some point I have been negative. And over the years, of course, my friends always tell me, I don't know if they're being nice, oh my god, oh, you're so positive and everything. But sometimes you have areas that you can be like so skeptical and negative until time has passed, and maybe, or you meet people who are a bit more positive and they have achieved more in life. Then you are like, oh my god, no, 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 no. So, and also, if you want to notice how positive people can affect your life, or negative people, just, you can look at how far you've gotten with your dreams or your career or your relationship, having those people around you. If you're not growing, if you're not just pushing to the next level, and you have these people in your life, mm-mm, no, 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 guys. And it's not like you have to be, oh, I think you're negative, I'm not gonna have you in my life anymore. You just have to kind of like let it go, and just maybe have less time with them if they're around you. If they're far, just chat less with them and things like that. So, anyways, next one is, let me see here, because I have to stick to this. What are you feeding your mind? It is so important. We are Social media is crazy, and the amount of stuff that is there is not necessarily that all is healthy for you. So you have to be careful. I personally feel like whenever I am allowing so much time for things that are not affecting me positively in my mind, if I'm reading and scrolling on social media, things that are, just talking trash about people, or just nothing is really of substance, I cut it off. And the good thing is, I think, if you look, there's a setting on, especially Instagram, I don't know about the other ones, it tells you how much you spend on social media per day. So you can actually try to see what exactly were you doing there. So I think it's important to feed yourself with what do you read? Like things you read, things you watch, from television to movies to, just YouTube, everything. What are you feeding your mind and your soul? It eventually gonna come out, and that's what you're gonna project to the world. Honestly, not good if it's not positive. Okay, and the third one is my favorite. That's why I'm not looking on the phone because I know it. So the third one is really about it's personal for me, but it's important to have it in your life, and it's about prayer and having a ritual. And the ritual can actually be, it can be in a morning ritual or the evening ritual, and it's important because when you don't set your mind to be positive, it's not going to be positive. Whatever's going to be thrown at you, you're going to be taken by a wave on that particular day. So I allow that morning I wake up to have like a sermon that I watch or listen. This lighting is too bright. So I allow like a sermon that I watch. And normally like I watch, it depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes you wake up, you're feeling down. So I usually watch Joel's scene. I find like he's so encouraging. And he has such a positive spirit. And the days that I feel like, what, I just get myself together and get out to the world. I need to be pumped by energy. I watch Real Talk Kim. So, I mean, I also, Pastor TD Jakes is another one that when you're in like, you're feeling like you're fighting all kind of battles, I watch him because I feel like he tends to have a message that fights whatever, that can give you enough energy and uplifting you to face whatever battles are out there. And then, of course, if I feel like I'm lacking some type of knowledge, then I go to Joyce Meyer. So, talking about that's a ritual that I do, but also I talk to, I guess you could say, in prayer. Like my prayers are more conversational. I am like, God, guide me. Which path is this? What am I doing here? I'm confused. Like, it's very conversational. It's really changed for me. I don't do those prayers that I used to do more like God help me, or God, I'm asking for this thing. It's more like a conversation. Okay, so to the next one. I have to read. Let's see. Uh, the fourth one. Oh, those are the three. Just a second. Okay, so the fourth one is about eating right, eating healthy and right, and exercising. Believe it or not, those things, okay, I know a lot of people know, but I know there are people who probably do not know. Uh, Food and exercise trigger a whole bunch of hormones within you. I mean, most people know about exercise, that you work out and it makes you feel better, it makes you energized and all that. But food, like what exactly you are putting on, there is food that you put, that you eat, it just kind of triggers, negative, hormones and energies within you, instead of like like putting you in a more of a positive mood and stuff like that, because it's food that actually messes up your hormones and stuff like that. So I think at some point I am going to do like a whole video on the type of food that you eat, and they kind of trigger the positive energy, or it's just the whole chemical balances within the body that can be good for you. So obviously it's good to exercise at least, I mean, 2 to 3 times a week. It will help, instead of not exercising at all. And then also, of course, yes, I mean, we may have like occasionally bad habits, or maybe like, given our lifestyles, most food nowadays, it's just not healthy. But you are better off doing your best, eating healthy and right, than experiencing a bunch of health issues, and then all kind of things that are going to put you on a downfall to not pursue your dreams properly. So on to the next. Okay, so the last one is journaling. Should be something that should keep your mind positive when you're pursuing your dream. And personally, I haven't been doing this consistently, but every time I have done it, especially writing, with maybe writing your dreams down or writing your goals down and going through them, it keeps your mind very positive towards them. And I find, let's say, if you have things that you are fearing, things that you don't know how to go about them, if you write them down, there's something about them. It's almost like a weight is taken out of you, or even like you're writing down your negative emotions. It just kind of like it's almost like a cure of some sort. I don't know. There is some type of a side effect to it, which is leads to the positive mind or positive thinking towards your pursuing your dreams and your goals. So I would really like recommend journaling, and I think it would be a great tool to have. So that's it for today, guys. Until next week. So I'm going to do my best. I want to post at least one video that I do a lot about fashion, beauty, whatever, hair, like, and then also one that is something that, more on the inner work, like what we talked about today. And then, I will switch a bit and talk about business. So just keep following my journey. This is a journey, and I will like update like how far I have gotten with even my online business. So yeah, until next time, thanks guys for watching. Bye.